The Constitution of Pakistan 1973, total marks 10. Topic number 03 Article 175 to Article 193 Introduction Video 5. Introduction Summary of topic. The judicial structure of Pakistan. The Constitution of Pakistan, adopted in 1973, establishes a robust and comprehensive judicial system comprising the Supreme Court of Pakistan, high courts for each province, and other lower courts established by law. This essay provides an in-depth exploration of the establishment, jurisdiction, and functions of these key components of Pakistan's judicial structure. 1. Establishment and jurisdiction of courts. Article 175 of the Constitution lays the foundation for the judicial system in Pakistan. It establishes the Supreme Court of Pakistan, high courts for each province, and any other courts that may be established by law. The key principle is that no court can exercise jurisdiction unless conferred by the Constitution or relevant laws. 2. The Supreme Court of Pakistan. A. Composition, Article 176. The Supreme Court consists of a Chief Justice of Pakistan and other judges as determined by the Parliament or, until determined, as fixed by the President. B. Appointment of judges, Article 177. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President. Other judges are appointed by the President after consultation with the Chief Justice. Eligibility criteria include citizenship, legal experience as judges or advocates, and service periods. C. Oath of Office, Article 178. Before taking office, the Chief Justice and other judges must take an oath as outlined in the Constitution. D. Retiring age, Article 179. Judges of the Supreme Court serve until the age of 65, unless they resign or are removed according to constitutional provisions. 3. Functioning of the Supreme Court. A. Acting Chief Justice, Article 180. In the absence or vacancy of the Chief Justice, the President appoints the most senior Supreme Court judge to act as Chief Justice. B. Acting Judges, Article 181. In case of vacancies or temporary incapacities of Supreme Court judges, the President can appoint temporary judges, including retired High Court judges. C. Appointment of ad hoc judges, Article 182. The Chief Justice, with presidential approval, can request retired Supreme Court judges or qualified High Court judges to temporarily join the Supreme Court. D. Seat of the Supreme Court, Article 183. The permanent seat of the Supreme Court is in Islamabad, but it can sit in other places as decided by the Chief Justice and approved by the President. 4. Jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. A. Original jurisdiction, Article 184. The Supreme Court has exclusive jurisdiction in disputes between governments, federal and provincial, and can issue declaratory judgments. B. Appellate jurisdiction, Article 185. The Supreme Court hears appeals from judgments, decrees, and orders of high courts in various circumstances outlined in the Constitution. C. Advisory jurisdiction, Article 186. The President can seek the opinion of the Supreme Court on matters of public importance, which the Court will consider and provide its opinion on. Other powers of the Supreme Court. A. Issue and execution of processes, Article 187. The Supreme Court can issue orders for complete justice and enforce them throughout Pakistan. In case of a dispute, the Supreme Court's decision on jurisdiction prevails. B. Review of judgments, Article 188. The Supreme Court can review its own judgments or orders, subject to relevant laws and rules. C. Binding decisions, Article 189. Decisions of the Supreme Court on questions of law are binding on all other courts in Pakistan. 6. Action in aid of Supreme Court, Article 190. All executive and judicial authorities throughout Pakistan are obligated to support the Supreme Court in carrying out its functions. 7. Rules of Procedure, Article 191. The Supreme Court has the authority to establish rules regulating its practice and procedure. 8. The High Courts. A. Establishment, Article 192. Each province has a high court with a chief justice and other judges, as determined by law. B. Appointment of High Court judges, Article 193. Judges of high courts are appointed by the President after consultation with various authorities, and eligibility criteria are specified. C. Functioning of high courts. High courts have the power to supervise and control all courts subordinate to them, with jurisdiction extended to areas specified by Parliament.